bars. Bars and little boutique hotels and little restaurants.
Shit. God damn it, Dad. You fucking... Sometimes I'll get like 8 of them, 4 of them for me, and then 4 of them are for Jeff.
Yeah, that'll piss me off.
Yeah.
Pinchers, that was a bar there. I think it was called Pinchers. We've stayed down here a bunch, you know, rented little homes right on the beach. The only thing standing are the newer homes that are built Hurricane.
Look at this guy.
Holy shit. Oh, this is just freaking... That was a cool bar up there. Damn. Diamond Head, that's called Diamond Head Resort there. That doesn't look like it was...
This looks like
too
this
damaged.
looks like what Houma looked like.
Yeah, I didn't know we were gonna come. See, look at that freaking house. Jeez. That house freaking sitting sideways.
Yeah.
Man. Freaking sad, 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 man. I think that was a church, I believe.
And the smell.
One lane road ahead. I mean, these places are just leveled. I mean, this was all built. That was all buildings. There was no open ground here. I mean, it was you had trouble even parking down here because there was just buildings, you know, houses and bars and restaurants and condos, and that shit is just freaking gone. The only thing standing, the only thing left there is a swimming pool. Sad, especially when you know, when it's a place where you loved coming, you know, where you love to, you know, come and do little vacations, you know.
Yeah. Like the hillside where I live, man. It's the burn scars.
Right.
Yeah, heartbreaking.
It's very similar to that.
Come down here in the car, man, your truck, man, that would be kind of a pain in the ass. You'd be worried about catching nails in your doobie.
Yeah.
Fucking ass there, wide open.
Right, yeah. Man, look at this. Wow. Okay, this was an RV resort here. It was called, I forget what it was called. There ain't no RVs there now, is there?
See the pedestal.
Yeah. And then there's another bar down here, I think called Junkaroos, I think.
Oh, right here.
Yeah, Junkaroos. It's gone. The whole fucking building's gone. That was a concrete building.
Was it?
Yeah.
Winds up to 150 miles. I think it was 155. So it was pushing the border of Category 5.
Mm-hmm. And there was about
staying for hours, man. I mean, 6 freaking hours.
There was like 100 people down here that died, drowned, suffocated in their attics. Well, and then a lot of people, there was not a lot of notice because up until like 48 hours before it hit, It was supposed to go up and hit Tampa. And then, like in the last 48 hours,
It took a hard right.
it turned right. And they said, this thing's going to hit Fort Myers. It ain't going to Tampa. So a lot of these people were like, well, I'm not going to leave.
I was projecting with Chip and Richie. I was like, yeah, you know, it can hit anywhere between Tallahassee and Naples.
Yeah.
And I said, I think it's probably going to hit closer to Bonita Springs. That's almost what it did.
Yeah.
All the adjusters from other states were hoping it would hit Tampa because that'd be a hell of a lot more.
Right. A lot more
goddamn
damage.
money.
Right. I wish I wish it would have hit Tampa. Damn, I wish it would have hit Tampa. Well, Peg's gonna be glad I got to come because she wanted to see this down here.
Were you in video or just?
Oh yeah, I've been videoing ever since we made the turn.
It says I'm 6 minutes away. How can that be? Are we on a sterile island?
Yeah, this is a sterile island. Yeah.
Oh, so that big bridge we came over.